I keep record of all repairs I did on my cars from the day I maintained those myself. In general, there is not much done besides oil changes, brakes, fluid flushes, etc. First time I've changed an exhaust, it lasted only 3 years and 4 months. The last time I did it, I've painted it with high temperature paint all behind the converter. Yellow and orange, since those colors were on sale. What you can see here is after 3 years and 6 months. It starts to rust only where the hangers brackets touch the mufflers. I think that this is good for 1 more year or maybe a year and a half. I know, one can buy stainless steel exhaust, but it costs a lot more, and I don't know how long my cars will keep running. Just recently I've put new exhaust in another car, and like the last time, I painted it with a high temperature paint. First, I cleaned all stickers with WD-40. Then I degreased it with wax and grease remover. And I painted it. When I put it together, I've used good quality assemble paste. The exhaust is factory coated with aluminum, but hanger brackets are bare metal. When the bracket starts to rust, the rust spreads to mufflers and shortens its service life. But this time I did something different. I separated brackets from mufflers using fiberglass cloth. It will be cheaper to change hanger brackets than the whole exhaust.